everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the June update for my project pan. I've been doing my project pan since the start of 2018. I'm going to start off with my two ColourPop eyeshadows like I always do. These are the Super Shock shadows in the shade Get Lucky and also So Quiche. I used So Quiche 2 times this month, and I used Get Lucky 6 times this month, which is the best I've used it so far. Every other month I've used it only 2 or 3 times, but this month I did 6, I guess. So my uses for So Quiche this month are pretty on par for everything else. There's even a bigger amount of pan showing than there was last time, but with ColourPop eyeshadows you only need a little bit, so it's actually kind of hard to go through them since there's so much pigment in each swipe. So here it is right now. Look, they have a very big dent in it and also quite a bit of pan showing, which is very exciting. We're halfway through the year pretty much. So I feel like I should get this done by the end of the year. I've been using Get Lucky as a base for other gold eyeshadows. I would apply this on my lid, not too thick, and then I would apply the other gold eyeshadow on top and it would be much more pigmented and it will last longer throughout the day because this is more of a cream type of shadow, so it kind of sticks to the powder shadow. So here it is this month. Quite a bit of pan showing. I don't think there was this much pan showing last month. Then we have the Marion Coconut Watercolor Eyeshadow. I feel like throwing this out, but I don't think I will. I'll try and keep using it for a couple more months. It's been going down in the levels as you can see, but it's pretty much the same as last month. I've used it 2 times this month, which is down from last. It's super pretty color and it looks so beautiful when it's kind of like wet and it's very metallic and rose gold, and I really like it. But it's just, it creased so bad on me one day. Like, it was totally gone. And then it kind of like, not feels tingly, but it feels like a little bit drying or cold when I have it on my eyes. It kind of irritates my eyes just a little bit. And I don't really want to keep using it, but I think I'll try it for 1 more month. And if it's still like acting up or whatever, then I'll probably check it because it's probably getting a little bit old. Because when I first bought it, I don't think it creased on me like it is now. So there you can see the lines and then how much it has dropped. So next I have the e.l.f. Cream Eyeliner in black. And this month I've used it 4 times, which is pretty much the same. I would have used it more if I found out this trick earlier. I was just thinking, oh, what can I use on my waterline that's going to be kind of deeper in black? I'm like, oh, good idea. So I took this on a really small angled brush and I put it on my tie line and waterline, and it stayed there like almost all day. Maybe a little bit of smudging just on the outer portion of my eye, but it stayed black all day and it worked really well. So this is still nice and creamy. It does have quite a bit of a hole in it now. Having this as a liner on your top lash line, it smudges and I won't recommend it for that, but I think I'm going to get more use out of it. Now I'm going to be using it as like a tie line. I don't know if you can tell because it's obviously black, but there is a hole in there. Next I have the Boutique Black Eyeliner, and I've used it. Next I have the Boutique Black Eyeliner, and I've used it 8 times this month, which is pretty much the same for all the other months. I use it quite often, but now I don't think I'm going to be using it often because now I got the cream eyeliner as my tie line, and this doesn't work as good as that. We haven't shaded off any more letters, and that's how we're marking this guy, by the letters on here. But I'll see how I'm liking it in the next little bit here, and if I don't care for it, I'm just going to check it out because look how much we got it down. It's exciting. So there you can see it. It's just a little nub. Now for the exciting part, I have finished the e.l.f. High Definition Under Eye Setting Powder. It's been how many years? So I knew this was going to be the first thing that was going to go in my project pan from the start of the year. I had this feeling because it's powder. I use it pretty much all the time since I'm very oily. So this month I pulled off the sifter here because the product wasn't coming out, but I saw it in the bottom. I was like, when are you going to come out? So I've used this 12 times this month, and that's probably helped me into getting rid of it, and I saw it was getting lower and lower, so I'm like, I gotta keep using it. So I used it even when I wasn't wearing makeup that day. I just used it right here on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, just to control my oil for that day if I wasn't leaving the house, you know, but I'm just trying to use it up. And so I pulled off the sifter, and then I just went in there with my brushes, and then I baked with it a little bit, and then I used some up for over here to clean up my contour and everything like that. And I finished it today when I'm filming this, which is awesome because I was like, I don't want to bring this into the next month. So there we go, we finished this guy. After 12 uses this month, we finished him. Finally, I have the Wet n Wild lipstick in Just Peachy. I used this 4 times this month, pretty much the same as the other 2 months. This is newer to my pan. I have been using it since the start of the year, But I use this just kind of dotting it on my lips, kind of like so, because if I swipe it, it doesn't look good over top of my lips since I do have some lines and stuff on my lips. But I know Tati has been talking about this recently and she really likes it, but she likes it over top of other lipsticks to brighten them up. And I can see why, because it doesn't look right just over normal lips. It's too greasy or something. But there it is. And also this packaging makes it really gross to clean up. So you can see in the cap here that it's pretty dirty. Because when you go in like this, you get it along the sides and it's just not nice packaging. So yeah, that's my exciting project pan for June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So comment below if you want me to add another product for next month, since I got rid of the under eye setting powder. And then what should it be? Should it be an eyeshadow? Should it be a lipstick? Eyeliner? Another powder? Because one is hitting pan right now, I can tell you. You guys just comment it down below, and when you're down there, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and also the playlist to my Project Pan 2018 will be in the end card, and also another video if you want to check that out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!